Have you been reading audiobooks for free? If you're a reader like me, I'm sure you may have read one audiobook or more. Did you know you could earn money by reading audiobooks for authors? Authors are looking for people to convert their books to audiobooks, which will be published online on Audible. Audible is an Amazon platform where audiobooks are sold. Before we get into how you can become an audiobook reader or an audiobook narrator, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit on the notification bell so that you know when I publish new videos. Welcome to my channel. So let's begin. Audible is an Amazon company selling audiobooks. You may have listened to an audiobook before. The voice reading the book to you may or may not be that of the author. Did you know that? Many times it's the voice of a narrator paid to read the book in the most captivating way and with good emotions or emotions that reflect the message in the book. So, I stumbled on a website where you could audition as an audiobook narrator and earn money for it. And they have two ways of earning money. One is through royalty, where you get percentages of every audiobook that is sold. You get some royalty share from the sales, or you get paid upfront. These are two options. You just get your job done, get your money, and that's just about it. But then, if you are interested in going into this area as a freelancer, as an audiobook narrator, let's get into how you can become one. I've done a little bit of research about this, and this is very authentic. You can be an audiobook narrator today, earn good money by upfront payment or by royalty, whichever one you choose. But most people prefer the royalty share, especially if the book is going to be a bestseller. You can imagine you're going to earn higher if you go for the royalty share, but just know that you're not going to hit that mega amount immediately. So most audiobook narrators prefer payment by royalty share because they'll make more money if the book becomes a bestseller. So it depends on you to choose whichever way you want to be paid. So to register and start earning as a narrator, you go to this website, acx.com, and create your profile. You search for different books listed for audition. Audition means that it's just like a test for them to know whether you're a good fit for the job. That's just about it. And you record your voice reading the book, that's like the audition book, and then you submit it. So if you're serious in getting into this area of freelancing area, try as many books as you can because there are so many books submitted online there. So try to audition for as many as you can. It's just like a job. Could audition for 50, 60, 80 books, and luckily you might get picked for one or two. And that will help increase your chances of getting accepted by an author. So not everyone can get in here. The requirements for becoming an audiobook narrator are the following. So for you to learn more, you have to go to the website. I'll put the link in the description box below so that you get a more detailed explanation on how you can start and successfully create an income with this method. But the most important requirement for becoming an audiobook narrator on ACX is you have to be either an American or a Canadian or a British or an Australian. Basically, you may not be from there, but you just have to have an accent of an American or a Canadian or British or Australian. And maybe my voice may not pass. I guess my Nigerian voice wouldn't pass. So There are authors also looking for audio narrators with clear voices for a particular accent, so don't be discouraged if your accent is not listed, but just give it a try. You never can tell. So this is another information that I got for you guys, and I know that one or two of you will benefit from it. So if you're looking for how to increase your chances, just like I mentioned, try to audition for more books. So this is about it. Go to acx.com, check in the description box below. You will see the link, and you get to read and get more information about how to become an audiobook narrator. Then if you're looking for more ways to make money, please check my website, my blog, where I created online side hustle series, and that would help you. I've talked about how you can make money as a writer, flexible online tutoring jobs, virtual call center jobs, and how you can start a blog, how you can make money with your blog, freelancing websites, and how you can launch your online store. I've explained in detail so that anyone who's interested in doing any of this as a freelancer, to help put a little money into your pocket or to get a side hustle, then look into that. Make sure you go to the link to my blog post. You will get a full description of all that I've mentioned here. Thank you, and please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will know when I publish new videos. Thank you.